Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we'll be walking you through the Alacrity'S.net back office. And when you log in newly into your Alacrity's back office, you will be directed to this page where you see Explore. And here in Explore, it shows you all the details that you need to know about your, your portfolio, what you have within the Alacrity's blockchain. And in this blockchain, everything is plain, everything is transparent. You can see how transactions are going on real time. Transactions are moving, and it's very volatile. It goes up and come down. People are buying, people are selling. And here it shows you your holdings of what you have within the Alacrity's blockchain. And then in this area, this here shows you the real price of ALA as at the time of this transaction. This is the price of ALAIO coin, which is 0.000277 per dollar. That is it. You can see the continuous movement of transactions. And here gives you the market capitalization of ALAIO. Here is the market cap of ALAIO. And that is the strength of ALAIO for now. That is why it is better if you are able to enter these transactions on time and make a fortune. Here you see block producers, where you can see the different block producers here. You can see their names. They are from different countries, and this will be another topic for another day to tell you how the blocks are produced within the ALAIO. But if you look at it, you see vote here. Yes, you have to vote to be part of, to approve those who will be producing blocks. The block producers don't just produce blocks on their own. People like you and me who have who are holding a lay coin have the power to contribute on the way this blockchain is operating. It is decentralized. There's no CEO here. Nobody controls the blockchain. The market forces control everything that is here. In the voting aspect, we'll talk about it another day. But for the essence of these instructions, the Alacrity's blockchain use the delegated proof of stake, which means me and you delegating, and we can vote for any of the producers we like for them to produce the next block, and then we are rewarded for supporting it. So you can see the blocks that are being produced real time. The blocks produce real time. Now, we'll go on to other areas of this tutorial, where we click here to explore other areas. Now, here you'll be able to see, we've talked about explore, you'll be able to see transaction history, file manager, the governance, the Dapps, the resources, and the manage your data. Here, we will take the transaction history, where we'll be able to see what goes on there. If you click on transaction history, it will give you all the transaction histories that have happened within your investment. And here you can see claim in my favor. So these claims are mine, and these are my transactions that I've done within the Alacrity's.net. Now, after that, all your transactions displayed here, you are seeing everything real time. You see the roles, the claims, the roles, and so on. We will talk about this business maybe in another video if we cannot talk about it in this video now. So if we go back to that same place, we check the file manager. This file manager is an area where you can keep your files. You can upload a file here and keep for safekeeping. That is one of the benefits of a Alacrity's blockchain. You can see I have nothing here for now, but you see that arrow there. You can upload something like a document, like anything you hold in secret, you want to keep, you can upload it there and keep it. Nobody has access to it except you. So we'll continue to the governance. Here in the governance, you find out that we have the stake, the unstake, the claim reward, and then you see the core liquidity balance, your self stake, that's the CPU, and then self-stake net. All these ones are all that you can do within here. Now, if you want to be part of those who are in control of Alacrity's blockchain, what you need is to get more of this blockchain token, which is the ALAIO, and you'll be able to participate in the voting. Now, in this voting, you will stake and you can unstake anytime. You can claim your reward. There's a reward for your staking. That I was saying, the delegated proof of stake, which the Alacrity's blockchain uses, is what is moving this blockchain. Here, you can come here and create a campaign for yourself. If you want to be a block producer, you can create a campaign, and then people will vote for you. And if you win in that election, you'll be able to produce a block. But their conditions tied is just like you want to contest an election. They tell you you have to buy ticket, you have to know all those things are here. This is digital democracy in the blockchain. That's how I call it, digital democracy in the blockchain. So you have to meet up the conditions for you to be able to create a campaign, and then you get people to vote for you, of which you will share the reward of whatever you are going to get from the block you produce with those who are with you. Then here you have the Dapps, which is one of the serious things we'll be talking about very soon, because they are very important. This is where most of the money that you'll be making from Alacrity's blockchain will come in. You see the various dApps. The crypto lottery is a dApp. The hash page is a dApp. The Kompwnd is a dApp. The OPN is another dApp. And then the skill strip is another dApp. The skill tribe is another dApp. And more dApps are being developed in these areas. These are all dApps that you can get involved, and you are making cool money from the idea that is in this programming. Now, if you look, you will see there are various categories, and you can check the categories and you can check my dApp. Your dApp here will show the dApp at which you are actually involved in transacting for now, and all those things that you can do to benefit within the Alacrity's blockchain. Now we'll go to resources. Resources here is very important because this is where you're able to learn everything that is happening within the blockchain. Learn all about Alacrity's here. This is where you get it. I told you in one of my videos that in the crypto world, the most important thing is education, the knowledge. You have to learn before you start making money. That's why you don't need to take videos like this for granted, because it's giving you an information that you need to know, so that you don't have to stress yourself to go finding those information before you launch out. So here you find all the informations. You can come to resources and you can read everything that you need to know about the blockchain, about how the blockchain works, how to make money within the blockchain. Everything, you get it on resources. We are back here, and we're going to be looking at manage data. This is where all the data that you want to manage, let's say you have uploaded a file that you kept for safekeeping or other informations, and then your data is within your own confines. Nobody has access to your data because this is a blockchain. Everything that is here is sealed up, is locked up, is very secure. You need all the block producers to agree for them to alter anything that is within your possession, which is not possible. That is why we say people that are in the chain should try and be part of the process, the governance process. When you are part of the governance process, you need to agree for everything, anything at all within the block to get changed. So that is it for the Alacrity's blockchain. We are back to Explore. Here in Explore, as I said before, it holds almost every information that you need to know about your own holdings within the blockchain. Here, if you look at this area where you see something like RQ code, if you click there, it will give you information about your account as well. You'll be able to see your wallet ID, your account, switch account, manage keys, settings, and logout. And that is all the information that you ever need. They are hidden in that area for you. So that is it for this video. In our next video, we'll be talking about other important things within the Alacrity's blockchain, how you can start making money from the Alacrity's blockchain. Thank you for watching and thank you for staying tuned. Bye for now.